Hey, Assalamu alaikum everyone. So welcome back to BONK update today. And before you head into the BONK update today, if you want to be a part of this trade ideas where I'm actually sharing chart patterns for you to trade, for you to get money, do check the comment for Discord link, and I'm going to drop the Discord link into the comments, and you can click on that, enter into Discord, and you can just be a part of it. You have news, you have general ideas, you have coin chats, you can talk about anything you want to talk about with other members as well. And the thing is that here we have BONK at the moment, and we are about to get the technical target. Now remember, I've given you the trade idea for BONK as well. I've given you that this was your head and shoulders, and our technical target is actually down to 1924. Congratulations to whoever took this trade. That was amazing. It's actually down 20%. So 20% is really a good trade if you are doing the day trade. 2 days ago, I gave you the whole idea back into the BONK videos. And now the question is, what happens after we meet the target? Because the target is almost just done. And I'm gonna go and remove every drawing at the moment, and let's get back into it. So where exactly do we have our support and resistances? Okay, now for some reason a lot of people are thinking the following, that this could be a left shoulder, the head, and this could be a massive right shoulder as well. And it's not wrong. It does look like a head and shoulders on a very higher time frame. I'm just going to get into it. But do you guys really notice that just the same way this was inverse head and shoulders, and I talked about this previously too, and we met this technical target. Now this is going to be left shoulder, head, right shoulder, okay? And that could actually be very, very dangerous. And right now you have not broken below the neckline, but if we do go under 1771, okay, I want to tell you this, and I want you to listen this very, very carefully about BONK. If BONK gets to 1771, then it might open up the windows to drop down big time from there to there, and we could be looking at a technical target to drop all the way down one more time to 1082, and that's going to be the next big support level, nearly down to this demand box that we previously had in past 2 to 3 4 months ago. So you have one touch, 2 3 4, and a pump to the upside. So if you're ever going to go down, this one can actually be the place where you go down to, and that also is thanks to this left shoulder, head, and right shoulders, and then go down. And if you think they're not going to play out, well, I can give you an example. For example, here, this was your left shoulder, head, right shoulder, neckline, breakdown. It went down, okay? So learn from smaller time frame, because small time frame does teach you what can happen on a higher time frame. It's not any different. The timing is different, that's all. Otherwise, the effect is still the same. But we still need to break down good 1771, and that's it. Be ready to probably drop all the way down to 1022, unless you don't really make it above this technical target, which is actually going to be 3356. If you make it back to 3356 after touching, of course, 1771, you go back up like that, we are going to invalidate going down there. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.